Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Traveler Aaradhya, and today I'm going to take you to a tour of the coral islands of Malaysia. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Wow, look at the water. It's so beautiful, transparent and clean. There's no mud and sand in it. And it's so transparent that I can see the fishes and the corals and the pebbles. Wow! And do you know the secret about this water? At day it is beautiful, but at night it is very much beautiful because our little friends give the water a color that is called radium blue, and they are the jellyfishes. Wow, so cool. Let's explore some more things. Look, a banana. Just kidding. It's a banana ride. Not just banana, but there are many rides like pencil rides, scuba diving, then jet ski, and many more. Come on, let's explore some more things. Be careful. There is a hole. And do you know, hole is equal to a crab. Oh, I can see something red. Oh, it is a crab. Run away. It is a crab. A crab is coming. Phew, I escaped from there. Or else the crab was about to bite my leg. Phew. But now I'm little hungry. So bye for now and keep watching Traveler Aaradhya, and bye! Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like it. Bye!